I'm in Zimbabwe, and one of the things I realized as a Venda person is that Shona but most of the Shona words are similar to Venda words. I was having an argument with Ugogo saying that she's Shona, right? Saying that she doesn't understand Venda, she doesn't know Venda. I'm like, no, you're speaking in Venda. She's like, no, I don't understand Venda. But those words that she was uttering were actually Venda words, actual Venda words. It's like Mutach Kwambachi Venda, but then or insert a few words that are outside, maybe or insert English or insert baby or insert whatever, right? But then the words are very similar, man. Not Shona, but the Shona that they speak here is very similar to Venda. But yes, Mama, if you took no Agaba, but I'm able to follow a conversation. I need to know, as Shona people, do you understand Venda? And as Venda people, do you understand Shona?